CIFDAQ Wallet Installation Guide for Windows. Once your file is downloaded, open it up. Windows users, listen up. You might see a warning message. No worries, just click on More Info. You will see option Run anyway. Just click on it. Next, you'll hit a license agreement. Give it a read, and if you agree, click I agree to move forward. And now, the magic happens. The installation process starts. Watch the progress bar fill up. Exciting, right? Once installed, the CIFDAQ Wallet program pops open automatically. It's like it's saying hello. Alright, if you're already a CIFDAQ user, log in with your password. Forgot it? Hit up the Recover Your Wallet option. New to CIFDAQ? No problem. Just click on Create New Wallet and just sign up with your email, set a password, confirm it, drop in your mobile number, agree to the terms and hit Send or Continue. New users, you'll get a secret recovery phrase. Keep it safe. It's your key to password recovery. Almost there. Check your email for a 4-digit OTP. Enter it quick. It's only good for 3 minutes. Can't find it? Peek in your spam folder and boom, you're all set. Your CIFDAQ wallet is ready to rock on your PC. Welcome to the CIFDAQ family. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome guides. Until next time, stay savvy and secure.